Today, we are making a delicious Pina Colada punch that is perfect for summer and for all my Geminis. We are in episode 3 of our Zodiac Punch series, so this punch is for the Geminis. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing you need to make your punch is a punch bowl. And to that, I'm just going to add 4 cups of pineapple juice because every Pina Colada has to have some pineapple in it. And I will say this is a non-blended Pina Colada. I'm just putting it over ice, so it's a little bit lighter. And this is the true test. My punch bowl is shut. Every video, it's a mystery. And I am personally very excited for this punch because I am a Gemini, so this is my month. Next, I just have 2 cups of coconut water going in. You can also use like coconut milk instead if you want it to be creamier, but I personally like a lighter cocktail, and we are adding coconut cream later to it. That does add a nice creaminess to our drink. Next, I just have half a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice to add a little bit of acidity and brightness to our drink. Because the Pina Colada is a little boozy, I'm going to grab my white rum, but if you're making this into a mocktail, you can skip this step. And I recommend adding anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of your white rum. And I had exactly 2 cups. Love when that happens. And this is a very light and airy punch because Geminis are the mutable sign of the zodiac, and they are an air sign. And they are symbolized by the color yellow. So here I just have some Malibu rum, and I'm going to add 1 cup of Malibu. This also will add a little bit more of that coconut flavor because this is a coconut rum. So here we have 1 cup going in. And last but certainly not least is our coco lopez. This is actually what was used in the very first Pina Colada ever made. And it is just a cream of coconut, and it does have added sugar in it. So this is what we'll use to sweeten our drink. I recommend starting off with about half a cup of this, and if you want it to be sweeter, you can add a little bit more in, but once it's sweet, you can't take that sweetness away. So now I'm just going to add in my coco lopez. There we go. And because this is thick and I'm not blending it, you're going to want to grab a whisk and give your punch a fairly good stir to make sure your coco lopez is properly combined into your punch. Sorry to interrupt, but for all the fantasy readers out there, I just published my first ever novel. If you want to check it out, you can find the link down below in the description, or you can scan the QR code right here. And for finding coco lopez, it can be kind of hard to find, but I found it at Bevmo, and you can also order it on Amazon. Okay, and now we can pour ourselves a glass of our Pina Colada. And as a little garnish, I just have a frond of a pineapple, as well as a slice of pineapple that I'm going to add to the side of my glass. And this is completely optional, but you can always do a little floater of your dark rum, and I have to say, this makes it extra delicious. Now it is time to taste our Pina Colada. That is so delicious. It's so fruity and light, but it's not too sweet, which I love in a drink. And you get that little dark rum on top to kick it up a notch. So I have to say this is an absolutely delicious Pina Colada. And don't forget to check back next month because we are doing our Cancer punch. Or if you'd like to just see some more of my punch recipes, there will be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoy Gemini season. Cheers!